Hi guys, back with another video. In this video, we will be learning about a developer console in a browser. No matter what browser you use, either Chrome or Firefox or Safari, they all have developer tools within that. So I'll just demonstrate you that developer console in Chrome. So if I just head over to some any websites, like I'll just open up my online course which is in Udemy, and it opens up all the HTML pages, right? So this is the HTML page of my online course on Udemy, and you can go ahead and you can check that, and if you are interested you can enroll in this course. So now coming to the point where we have, guys, again, if this page is loaded now, it has got the HTML, CSS, JavaScript and the images. As you can see, there is a lot of images like Udemy, and then this icons, and there is a lot of multimedia things, and as you can see, these are the icons. So these all will be coming from the server to my local system. So local system in the sense file system. So now this page has been loaded now, but we can see all of the things here. Just let me introduce with the developer console, where you can go either here in the menu options and go to the more tools, and you can go ahead with the developer tools. So now Chrome has its own developer tools, and even as the Firefox too. So now it has a lot of options like elements, console, source, network performance. It has got lot of tools, so you can go ahead and explore all of the things. I'll just explain you some of the main important concepts, important things that are necessary for us in order to go ahead with this course in our video. So now I will explain you with the elements. As you can see, this is the element tab where it shows all the HTML thing. So this is the HTML page, the entire body of, as you can see, this is an HTML body, and in this body we have all of the things. As you can see, it is highlighting now everything in this body. So if I just go ahead with this title of my page and go to inspect, guys, again, there is a shortcut to open this developer tools. Either you can go ahead with the menu options over here, or else you can directly right click on here and go to the inspect, and it opens the developer console in elements tab. So guys, this is the thing. It is in the title of the page is in this h1 tag, and this h1 tag is in this division tag, and this division tag is in this division, and it goes on showing all of the hierarchy, all of the tag that has been loaded now. So as you can see, this is the row. So they have used bootstrap for this page, and now, guys, as you can see, this is an entire row. In this row they have subdivided each and everything. So you can go ahead and check with all of the things that they have written in HTML. So they have added some script tag, they have written all of the things related to this HTML page. So now I'll just open with console. So now what you mean by this console, it is just a log where we usually log all of the necessary things like the output of some expression while we are in development. So this is just a log. So they have logged some kind of things over here. It is related to them, it's not related to us, because it is not shown up in the browser. So this is the thing, and this is the just a log where we usually log some output and get some the status of that. All of those things will be logged here, but is not mandatory at all. So if I just go to the source, so it shows me all of the file system. As you can see here, this web page, this particular web page has loaded in my computer in this file system. As you can see, this is the image, which is obviously this Udemy image has been loaded in my computer in this folder, right? So it gives us all of the websites file system, all the file system of the thing which are displayed over in this website. So similarly, we have network where it shows all the HTTP protocols made by us. So if I just click over some called as I'll just click on something called as buy now. So if I just buy now, as you can see, it has logged. As you can see, there is a lot of changes happening here. So these are the HTML calls that have made to the servers in order to get some data. As you can see, it has loaded some authentication purpose, and we can go ahead and check all the headers of that packet. And this, guys, there is a lot of things. There is no need to explain you guys all about that. You can go ahead and check with all of the rest of the things like performance, memory, application, and there is a lot of things. It is, guys, this is all self-explanatory, and I'm just explaining to you all of the basic stuffs which are necessary for a beginner. So yes, guys, this is all about a developer console in a browser, and particularly I have explained you in Chrome. So go ahead and just explore more of this, and have a glance of all of those things. And you can have all of those settings, and the positions of this elements, and there is a lot of things. Just have a look at it. And this is it, guys, all about the developer console. I think that this is necessary for you guys, because whenever we are developing a JavaScript, developing a web page with the JavaScript, it is that we need a developer tools in a browser. That is mandatory, because we without developer tools it is very hard and very difficult to have a web development uh, process. That is why I have explained you all about the developer tools. And this is it, guys, this is it all about the developer console in Chrome, and practice it. And so see you in the next lecture, where we will be diving with the actual JavaScript stuff. So see you in the next video.